5 little chicks went out to play in the sunny farmyard one fine day. Peep, 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 they chirped with glee, running round so happily. One little chick ran far and wide, found a worm and tried to hide. Mama hen called, "Come back!" Now there are only 4 little chicks, come back. 4 little chicks near the barn door saw a butterfly, wanted more. One flew off with a flap and kick. Mama hen said, "Come back, chick!" Now there are only 3 little chicks, come back. 3 little chicks in the green grass saw a bunny slowly pass. One ran off fast and slick. Mama hen cried, "Come back, chick!" Now there are only 2 little chicks, come back. 2 little chicks near the blue sky chased a cloud that floated by. One got tired, took a nap so quick. Mama hen called, "Come back, chick!" Now there is only 1 little chick, come back. 1 little chick looked all around. "My friends are gone, they can't be found." Mama hen clucked, cluck, cluck, cluck. Back came the chicks, what lovely luck! 4 little chicks came back with a cheer. Peep, 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 we're all still here. Now 5 little chicks are here to stay, peeping and playing all the day. And Mama hen says, "Don't go far. Come back, chicks, wherever you are."
Yellow, red, blue, green, pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck called quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out to play, over the hills and far away. Mother duck called quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out to play, over the hills and far away. Mother duck called quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. Oh where did they all go? Through the woods or the river's flow. Mother duck calls loud and clear, hoping her babies will appear. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck called quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out to play, over the hills and far away. Mother duck called quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck cried quack, 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 and none of her little ducks came back.